Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope now I'm audible. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Next one is the next heading, beta. Concept of concept of simple pendulum. Concept of your simple pendulum. Okay. Concept of your simple pendulum. See here. Say for example, if I consider a point which is being fixed here right now. This is your fixed position beta. From here, if we are taking a string to which a bob is been attached right now, a small bob. So point mass has been suspended by a massless inextensible string beta from a rigid
Yes.
support. It constitutes a simple pendulum. It constitutes a simple pendulum. The mass of the bob, I'm taking it as nothing but equal to your m beta. And the length of this string, I'm taking it is nothing but equal to your L. The
L.
length of this string is equals to right now for me your L particulation. When the string is in vertical equilibrium position, the particle is being right now. When it is in the rest position beta, the total weight of the body acts in the downward direction and
Yes.
the tension will be acting in the string in the upward direction. In equilibrium, T will be equal to mg. Now, if I give a sideward push for this one, so the bob will come somewhere right now here. Now, at this position, this particle is making a small angle right now, theta. That means it has been traveled the displacement from here to here like this. This arc is nothing but of your displacement. That means from the equilibrium position, it has been raised to a height of your how much for me h. So this h will be equal to how much for me? L into 1 minus of cos theta. We did this one so many times in
Yes,
the
sir.
work. Okay,
Yes.
now. So now,
Yes.
at equilibrium position, the forces acting on the body are nothing but one is the weight of the body mg in the downward direction, and this is the tension T in the string. So if I resolve this tension T into the components beta, one is vertical and another one is nothing but of your horizontal. If
Horizon.
this is theta, this one is also here theta, isn't it? So now if I resolve
Yes.
this one, here this will become for me T cos theta, and here in this direction, this will become for me T into your sine theta. Is the diagram clear for you, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this is a point of your origin right now, isn't it? So it is making the to and fro motion right now for the given condition. So what I'm writing right now here, so when it has been pulled aside and released, it will be oscillating in a circular arc with the center at the point of O. Now the position of the particle at any time, that is nothing but if a theta. So what are the forces acting on this body you see right now? This force into this perpendicular distance. So if this is your L beta right now, see here right now, I'm writing it very carefully. From here to here, this one is L gabati. If I resolve it up to this position, this will become for me L cos theta, and this will become for me L sin theta. Hope you understand. From here to it is L.
Yes.
This L minus L cos theta only, this will be the height. Gather.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? This is L beta now. This is your L at an angle theta. So if I'm resolving here right now up to this position, this is your L cos theta and this is your L sin theta. Wherever is theta, that side will become for me cos. The
Yes,
initial
sir.
total height is nothing but L. This capital L minus L cos theta will give me this height. Gada. I have written
Yes,
here
sir.
right.
Height.
Is it
Yes, sir.
clear? Isn't it? Now see, body is been coming back because of what beta? This force only. Gada. So
Restore.
this
Yes, sir.
perpendicular distance. ఈ perpendicular distance ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు this will be equal to L into sin theta. అంతే కదా. This one is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but parallel to this one only. అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
Listen, this distance is L sin theta. The same thing is also here, this sin theta. This
Yes,
force
sir.
into perpendicular distance will be what beta? Torque kada.
Yes, sir.
I can say that the magnitude of the torque, the magnitude of torque torque of what mg about horizontal line, about your horizontal line. This one is your horizontal line. ఇక్కడ draw చేసుకుంటున్నాను. O to A అనుకోండి, horizontal line. Say for example O, and this one is say for example A. I'm taking. Say for example OA. అంతే కదా. Along this horizontal line, this is force into perpendicular distance.
Yes, sir.
Force into your perpendicular distance part of relation. That is nothing but OA is perpendicular to the plane of the motion beta. OA is perpendicular to the plane of your motion. OA is perpendicular to plane of your motion. Perpendicular to your plane of your motion. Now, can you tell me the torque beta? The magnitude of the torque which has been acting on this one is magnitude of the torque will be equal to force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is how much for me? L sine theta. So torque acting on that one is equal to how much for me? Mg into your sine theta. Now this torque will try to bring back the particle to what beta? Mean position. So the torque acting will be equal to how much for me? The magnitude of the torque is this one. This torque tries to bring the particle back to mean position. Back to mean position. Back to mean position. That means at a time theta will become how much for me beta? 0.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now sine 0 is how much?
0, sir.
Theta is 0. So torque acting on that one is in which direction? Opposite direction. Kabati minus of your mg into your L into your sine of your theta. Theta is almost like of a 0 value. That means very small value. Anko. If theta is very small, I can write sine theta is equal to how much for me beta? Theta la raskocha. It is
Yes,
minus
sir.
of your mg into your theta because theta is very small.
Because,
So
yeah,
tan
yes,
theta
sir,
is
sine
approximated to your 0. That
0.
is nothing but
Yes.
very, very small kabati. That will be equal to your theta. So minus of your mg into your theta. If theta is very, very small right now, then sine theta arc will be equal to how much beta? Minus of your mg into your L sine theta. L kuda undi kada, into your L.
Yes.
This will be the torque. Okay. So what is the minus sign indicating beta? Minus sign is indicating that the torque is
Right.
opposite direction of your motion of the particle.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what is the moment of inertia of this one beta? What is the moment of inertia of this particle about this axis? E particle M, E axis nunchi enta dooramlo undi? L undi. So moment of inertia will be equal to how much for me? Mass of the particle into perpendicular distance. That is nothing but M into L square. So moment of inertia of the particle will be equal to how much for me? I can write here right now. Moment of inertia of your M about your O and as well as of your A. I will be equal to how much for me? M into your L square. Okay. So angular acceleration will be equal to how much for me? Alpha is equals to your tau by your I. Because we know the formula, tau is equals to your I into your alpha from rotational mechanics when a particle is been rotating or moving in a circular path. So angular acceleration is a tau by your I. Tau value is how much for me beta? Mg into your L into your theta. That is nothing but of your minus term divided by I. I is your M into your L square. Is anything getting cancelled in this one? This M gets cancelled. This L and
L
this square will
square.
get cancelled. So alpha value is coming out for me how much? Alpha value is equals to minus of your G into theta divided by your L. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
compare with this one with the standard equation beta. Standard equation of an SHM. Like alpha will be equal to your in angular SHM. In your angular SHM, alpha is known as angular SHM, angular acceleration. That is minus of your omega square into your theta. Like A is equals to minus of omega square into theta kada. In the circular motion, A is represented by alpha. This is your omega square. Theta is X is represented by your theta. Ante kada. A is equals to minus of omega square into X undi kada man daggara already linear SHM.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? In the angular SHM, A will be represented by alpha, X will be represented by theta. So in angular SHM, alpha will be equal to minus of omega square into your theta part of relation. So now can I write the value of your omega square will be equal to how much beta? Omega square will be equal to G by L. That means omega is equal to how much for me? Under root of your G by L. Once I know the value of omega, can I calculate the time period for this one? So time period is T is equals to 2 pi by your omega. Omega value in substitute chesko. So that will become for me 2 pi under root of your. This will become for me how much beta? L by G. So the time period of your bob, which is making an SHM, is calculated by the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of your L by G. Is that clear? So this is the time period formula for a simple pendulum. Okay. ఈ angular SHM రాయడం ఐడియా ఉంది కదా నీకు? నేను మరోసారి చెప్పనా. In the angular SHM, alpha will be equal to minus of omega square into your theta part of relation. ఇది ఎక్కడ రాశాను చూడు, ఇది ఇక్కడ నుంచి రాస్తున్నా నేను. I know this formula చూడు. Linear SHM లో I'll write once again. Yeah. A is equals to ఎంత minus of your omega square into x. Okay, linear SHM. So in angular SHM, how do you write it? In angular position, alpha A can be represented by your alpha. Omega square is constant, it will remain same. X will be represented by theta.
Theta.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Clear? Circular motion
Yes,
lo raste
sir.
itla rastanu. Okay, na?
Yes.
లేకపోతే derive కూడా చేస్తారు, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. I'll try to derive that condition also, no problem. Okay, angular SHM లో right now just remember alpha will be equal to minus of your omega square into your theta part of relation. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Chalo, that was about your time period. That means a time period formula ఎంత వచ్చింది right now for me? T is equals to your 2 pi under root of your L by G. That means time
Yes.
period is independent of what? Mass of the particle. Mass ఉందా దీంట్లో మనకు? లేదు
No,
కదా.
sir.
ఏ మాస్ మనం అటాచ్ చేసాము సింపుల్ పెండులం లో, it is independent of this mass.
Yes.
And it is directly proportional to what? Length. It is directly
Yes,
proportional
sir.
to your length. So I'll make some important points here right now. See this one. First point. T means time period. T is independent of
Mass.
what? Mass of particle.
Yes. Sir.
Mass of your particle or bob, whatever you are taking. Number 2, time period is directly proportional to root of your L. That means T square is directly proportional to your L part.
L.
Can I write like this?
Yes.
L is the distance between the point of suspension and the center of mass beta. L is nothing
Yes.
but what? Distance from the point of suspension to the center of mass of this bob. That will be the given condition. That means effective length anko. Effective
Yes, sir.
length anko right now for the given condition. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in a free fall or in the satellite particulation beta, in free fall, in your free fall or satellite or in space, G value will become how much? 0. If G value is 0, that means the pendulum will not oscillate as there is no restoring torque. That means the time period will become how much for me? Infinity. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
If G value is becoming 0 in the given formula, what is happening? Anything divided by your, this one is T is equals under root of 2 by under root of your L divided by 0. Ana kada? Anything divided
Yes,
by
sir.
0 will become how much?
0, sir.
Under root lo undi kada adi.
Yes, sir.
So the time period will become how? There is no restoring force at all kada. The
Yes.
pendulum will not at all oscillate. The pendulum will not at all oscillate as there is no restoring force acting on the particle. So the time period will become how much for me? Infinity.
Yes.
Antena?
Sir. Okay, it's happening.
One more. If a sitting boy on a swinging, తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? ఉయ్యాల.
Yes, sir.
ఉయ్యాల కూర్చుని అబ్బాయి కనుక లేచాడు అనుకోండి, ఇఫ్ he stands up, if a sitting boy on a swinging stand up, లెంత్ ఏమైపోతుంది? పెరుగుతుందా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా? లెంత్ విల్ డిక్రీజ్. అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇది బాబు ఉందా, ఈ బాబు ఇక్కడ చిన్నది తీసుకున్నాను నేను. ఇప్పుడు ఈ బాబు గనక నేను ఇట్లా తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది చూడు, ఈ బాబు నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా తీసుకున్నాను అనుకో, అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది? డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది పెరిగిపోతుంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా, పెరుగుతుందా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
That one is relation. అంటే ఈ ఎఫెక్టివ్ లెంత్ ఏమైపోతుంది? తగ్గుతుంది.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా, ఈ ఎఫెక్టివ్ లెంత్ ఏమైపోతుంది? తగ్గుతుంది రైట్ నౌ ఎట్ ఏ టైం, బికాస్ దిస్ వన్ వాస్ అ బాబ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ రైట్ నౌ హియర్ రైట్ నౌ. ఈ బాబ్ గనక ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్, ద లెంత్ విల్ బి డిక్రీజింగ్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ రైట్ నౌ? If a sitting boy on a swinging stands up, the length will decrease. అంటే బాడీ
Yes,
పొజిషన్
sir.
ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫిక్స్డ్ పొజిషన్ విల్ బి డిక్రీజింగ్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనం కూర్చుని ఉన్నాము, యువర్ హైట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సీలింగ్ ఈస్ మోర్. వెన్ యూ స్టాండ్ అప్, ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సీలింగ్ టు యువర్ హెడ్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్?
So decreasing, sir.
Decreasing. So that means length
Yes.
will be decreasing. So if length is
Yes,
decreasing, what happens to the time period? So capital T will increase.
Increase.
అంతే కదా,
Yes,
inversely
sir.
proportional కదా.
Yes, sir.
So if the length is decreasing, the time period will be, if the length is increasing, T is your decreasing, then the time period will be directly proportional.
Increasing.
T T is equals to 2 pi under root of your L by G. T is equals to 2 pi under root of your L by G. Directly proportional. Kada. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
be
So
decreasing.
that also will decrease.
Yeah, this will also be decreasing.
Yes, sir.
G is inversely proportional. T is equal to 2 pi under root of your L by G. So time period will also decrease. Time period
Decrease.
will also decrease. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, one more. If a hole is made, if a hole is made at the bottom, is made at the bottom of hollow sphere, of your hollow sphere, center of mass will what happens? Comes down and goes up. అంతే కదా? ఇప్పుడు
Yes, sir.
ఇది వాటర్ ఉంది అనుకో, ఈ స్పియర్ లో మొత్తం ఇట్లా వాటర్ ఉంది అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే, దీని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది చెప్పు సార్? సెంటర్ కాడ ఉంటుందా? అవునా కదా?
Yes,
అండ్
sir.
దిస్ స్పియర్ is oscillating like this. Okay, this is a given condition. Now when you make a small hole here right now, what happens? Water will be coming down total ga.
Yes,
So అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది? లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ విల్ బి డిక్రీజింగ్ కదా. లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ డిక్రీజ్ అయినప్పుడు నీకు సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ కూడా కిందికి వచ్చేస్తుందా? సో అప్పుడు
Yes.
లెంత్ ఏమైపోతుంది? పెరుగుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
అవునా? This is L, this is L1, this is L2, isn't it? L2 will be greater than L1. అంతే కదా? ఇప్పుడు ఫుల్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు దీని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఇక్కడ ఉండే, వాటర్ కిందకి వచ్చే కొద్దీ నీకు టోటల్ మాస్ అనేది కిందికి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ విల్ ఆల్సో ట్రై టు షిఫ్ట్ ఇన్ ద డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. అర్థమైందా?
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ repeat చేస్తాను.
అర్థం కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది సాలిడ్ బాడీ నాన్న, ఇది మొత్తం సాలిడ్ బాడీ.
Yes, sir.
సాలిడ్ బాడీ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సెంటర్ కాడ ఉంటుందా?
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? ఈ సాలిడ్ బాడీలా నేను సగం పార్ట్ ని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇట్లే ఉంది అనుకో, ఇక్కడే మాస్ ఉంది. నీకు సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది చెప్పు సార్? ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందా? ఎక్కడైతే మాస్
Yes, sir.
కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఉంటుంది.
Yes.
ఇంతకు ముందు సెంటర్ కాడ ఉండే,
Okay,
ఇప్పుడు
okay. Yes.
ఏమైపోయింది? మాస్ కిందికి వస్తే దీని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ కిందికి వచ్చిందా లేదా? అంటే
Yes, sir.
ఇంతకు ముందు ఇక్కడ ఉంటే దిస్ వన్ వాస్ ద లెంత్ రైట్ నౌ, ఇది 10 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఉండే అనుకో.
Yes,
అదే
sir.
బాబులా నువ్వు ద వాటర్ వాస్ బీన్ ఫిల్డ్ అంటే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ లో దీని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఏమి తగ్గింది, సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ కిందికి వచ్చింది కదా. అంటే దిస్
Yes,
విల్
sir.
బికమ్ రైట్ నౌ హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ? 11 సెంటీమీటర్స్.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Isn't it? Because mass is been in the downward. Slowly గా దీంట్లో ఉన్న వాటర్ ఏమైపోతుంది అంటే whatever water is been filled here, slowly water is been coming out from this hole. As the water is been coming whole from this one, the center of mass will also try to shift in the downward direction. Once the water will completely become zero, again the center of mass will go back to the original position. Now it is totally hollow anko. Now for the hollow, the center of mass is again at the same position. For ring,
Yes,
center of
sir.
mass will be at what? Center hi kada.
Yes, sir. Because there's
Isn't it? That means for a solid body, when it is been filled with the water, center of mass will first will increase, then finally it will be decreasing.
decreasing.
So that is the reason if a hole is made at the bottom of an hollow sphere, center of mass, I'll write here, see, center of mass comes down. Center of mass comes down and then goes up. And then goes up. Okay. So
Yes,
due to this, what is happening? L and capital T time period, length and capital T will first increase. Ante kada, length increase అయితే time period కూడా increase అవుతుంది.
Yes.
And reaches a maximum. It reaches your maximum and then decreases. Because again the center of mass is coming back to the original position till it becomes equal to its initial value. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
initial length ఏమైతుంది? పెరుగుతుంది. దాని తర్వాత డిక్రీజ్
Again
అవుతుంది.
it
So
will-
initially the
yes.
time period will increase, length will also increase, then again it will decrease.
Decrease.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకా మనకు చాలా అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి డేటా దీనికి. టుమారో లేకపోతే ఈరోజు ఈవినింగ్ నీకు టైం ఉంటే ఒకసారి నాకు కాల్ చేయండి. డోంట్ టెక్స్ట్ మీ. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈస్
Okay,
అ
sir.
పాసిబిలిటీ దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ లిసన్ మీ ద క్లాస్ అంటే ఒక 2-3 అవర్స్ ముందే నాకు ఒకసారి కాల్ చేసి సార్ ఐఎమ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అని చెప్తే నేను ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటాను దాని ప్రకారం. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
అదర్వైజ్ టుమారో మార్నింగ్ చేసుకుందాం. తొందర అయిపోతే
Okay,
మనకు
sir.
ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే SHM we need to do lot number of your problems, then only you can do the problems, otherwise కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అయిపోతుంది. సర్వ్
Yes.
చేయడం స్టడీ చేయడం కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అయిపోతుంది ఈ టాపిక్ పైన. So just need to do lot number of numericals before Saturday. సో మనకు
Yes,
సిలబస్
sir.
అయిపోతుంది అనుకోరు ఈ రోజు రేపట్లో. టుడే ఇస్ ఆల్రెడీ వెనస్డే. థర్స్డే లోపల కూడా అయిపోతే ఫ్రైడే సాటర్డే వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద లాట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ న్యూమరికల్స్. ఓకే,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
ఈవినింగ్ ఏమైనా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో. ఓకే,
Okay, sir.
బై.
Thank you so much.